Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix the data transmission and range of your Honor 6X phone. So, on first basic tip, we have to at first scroll down from the top to the bottom, opening the control panel. We have to swipe down again, and here we do have the airplane mode. We have to turn on airplane mode for, I don't know, 10 seconds maybe, so that we are sure that everything is turned off. And now we can disable the airplane mode again. If you don't have airplane mode icon, you have to tap this pen icon and drag this icon, the airplane mode, from here to here. What it does is disables all the connections, wireless connections in your phone, for example, location services, Wi-Fi, then data transmission, NFC tags, etc. And after enabling it, everything is going to back working. It should work now. Your phone may sometimes lag, but if it don't work for you, you have to now reboot your phone. I think that you have done it, but it's a basic tip that could help you. We have to hold the power button to restart. I think that it's the best tips out of all the tips over here, because most phones after rebooting are working right now. So yeah, that's how it works. Let's wait till our phone boots. Now it should help, but if it didn't help you, you have to check your mobile application or just check if you have not run out of gigabytes of your data. Let me show you this on my private phone, because here I do have this. Here, as you can see, we do have internet used 21.72 gigabytes out of 30. So here, as you can see, you can check our billing month and how much you have used. If you have run out of gigabytes, you won't have the internet connection, or you just may have the slowest internet connection available. For example, we have this policy in India. Now let's turn on our phone again, unlock it, and now I recommend to take out the SIM card from your phone. So here, as you can see, we have the SIM card tray. We can just take this SIM card opener and take out the SIM card. Here, as you can see, if you have SIM card, you can remove the SIM card and clean it. You can take, for example, earwax tip, clean it a little bit without alcohol, without water, just little cleaning, and now you can push it to the slot back again. Of course, it should help. It's not the best tip out of here, but if you have used your phone a lot, for example on the building site, etc., it can occur. So it's always better to clean your SIM card. And if you are out of the country, you have to enable the data roaming. You have to tap settings. Here I don't have the SIM card, but I will tell you how to go there. Here you have to go straight to the mobile data, and here you have to find something like this gear icon here. And no, not here. Here, as you can see, I don't have this sneaker, so that's why not here. I figured it out, and I told you this a minute ago. But here you'll see the option called data roaming. You have to enable data roaming so that you can use your SIM card abroad, just abroad to your country. Apart from that, you can set the data transmission type. Here, as you can see, we have 4G usage tracking and we have no data used. We have data saver, we can enable that and disable data saver, and it should work for us when we have the 4G enabled, because now the 3G tags are disabled in most of countries, like 2Gs, so or they just may have a very bad internet connection. So I recommend to have enabled 4G and 3G, not 2G of course. And now the final tip from me to you is to reset all wireless connection settings. To do so, we have to open the settings menu again and scroll all the way down till we see the advanced settings. Here we have to go to the other section, tap backup and reset, and here we do have network settings reset. We have to tap that and tap network settings reset. And what will be resetted is Bluetooth, mobile data settings and Wi-Fi settings. Let's tap that, and here we have to enter lock screen password 1234 and next. Here, as you can see now, we can confirm network setting reset. We have to tap that and every setting will be resetted. You have to add your Wi-Fi network again, pair your Bluetooth devices again, and of course the internet should work correctly right now. But if it doesn't work for you, you have to contact the service or the carrier, because if your SIM is unlocked and you can use it and you are using it and some problems are occurring right now, you have to contact the of course the carrier. It should work. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.